I'd recommend them. I'd recommend it straight away.
We were having problems watching telly. The sun was in our eyes, like sort of, especially in winter when it's low.
Well, it was annoying because we don't like net curtains, so we took the net curtains down completely. And then as people was walking by, they was looking in. Well, if you're sat there watching the telly and what have you, your privacy's gone completely. We could sit here with the blinds drawn back and we could see out, but people cannot see in. They came in, done all the windows, measured them up, done them perfectly, cleaned up after them. Very polite chaps, very professional and polite.
Definitely tell them to do it. So much better in here now. Even when you're sitting here now, like sort of, it's a lot cooler than it used to be. There's a lot cooler in here with the coating on than it was before when it was just a normal window, so we're very happy with it.
They came recommended, and since they've come and done the job within our lodge, it's been that fantastic, I think it has been, that I've recommended them to other friends, and my friends have had it done as well.